Have you ever wondered why you invest so much time, energy, and money in your wardrobe and looks? Carefully selecting your outfits each morning, even investing in high-quality pieces that you love. But despite all your efforts and the money you spend, you're still giving off a cheap impression, often without even realizing it. Sometimes, it's not about what you wear, but how you wear it, and the little things you overlook. There are subtle habits that can instantly downgrade your appearance, no matter how much you invest in your wardrobe. Even the smallest details can send the wrong message. Hello, ladies. Welcome or welcome back to Ideal Her Academy. Glad you're here. Today, I'm revealing the hidden rules of elegance, the often overlooked details that truly separate those who look effortlessly refined from those who unintentionally miss the mark. It's about cultivating habits that elevate your style and presence in every situation. Let's step into the world of quiet luxury together, one habit at a time. By paying attention to these small but powerful changes, you'll transform not just your look, but the way you feel every day. Let's dive in. One of the most overlooked mistakes when it comes to personal style is surprisingly simple, yet incredibly common. It's wearing clothes that don't fit your body properly. Whether your pants are too long and bunch at the ankles, or your blazer is so tight it pulls at the shoulders, ill-fitting clothes can instantly undermine your entire look. Even the most luxurious designer pieces lose their appeal if they sag, bunch, or pinch in all the wrong places. No matter how much you spend, a poor fit can make even the most expensive outfit look cheap and careless. True refinement is found in the details. A hem that hits exactly where it should, sleeves that end at the perfect spot, and a jacket that glides smoothly over your frame, accentuating your natural shape. The solution is simple but transformative. Tailor your clothes. A skilled tailor can adjust hems, take in seams, and reshape garments so they flatter your unique proportions. Even small adjustments, like shortening a sleeve or nipping in a waist, can make affordable clothes look as if they were custom-made just for you. Seek out structured pieces, such as blazers or coats, that hold their shape and create a clean, polished silhouette. These garments instantly elevate your appearance and signal attention to detail. When your wardrobe fits you perfectly, you not only look better, but you also feel more confident. You project discipline, self-respect, and an effortless sophistication that never goes unnoticed. Bags or shoes covered in logos or fake designer items shout for attention and feel inauthentic. True elegance doesn't need to announce itself. Minimalism and authenticity always win over flash. Opt for clean, logo-free designs. Understated bags and timeless shoes always look more sophisticated. When you choose quality over branding, you signal self-assuredness and impeccable taste. Even the most stunning outfit can lose its impact if grooming is neglected. No matter how fashionable your clothes are, details like hair, nails, and breath can make or break your overall look. People often notice these subtle cues before anything else, and they can leave a lasting impression, positive or negative. Chipped nails, greasy hair, or bad breath are details people notice first. These small signs can signal carelessness or a lack of attention to self-care, even if everything else is perfect. It's easy to overlook these things, but others rarely do. Grooming is a silent communicator of self-value. When you take time to care for yourself, it shows confidence and respect for both yourself and those around you. It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling good and presenting your best self to the world. Maintain clean nails, fresh hair, and pleasant breath. A simple routine makes all the difference. Just a few minutes each day can transform your appearance and boost your confidence, ensuring you always look and feel your best. Little habits build big impressions. Consistency in your grooming routine sends a message that you value yourself and pay attention to the details that matter. Show up polished, and your style is instantly elevated. When you look put together, you radiate confidence and leave a memorable impression wherever you go. Exaggerated, heavy fake eyelashes can cheapen your look instead of enhancing it. When lashes are too thick or long, they distract from your natural features. Subtlety always wins. Opt for soft, natural-looking lashes that complement your eye shape. Individual lashes or lightweight strips add definition without overpowering. Less is truly more. Exaggerated fake nails, too long, bulky, or overly decorated, can look impractical and less refined. Instead, choose clean, well-shaped nails in neutral or classic colors. Short to medium length in nude or blush always looks polished. A simple French tip or glossy clear coat is impactful and elegant. Simple, well-groomed nails show attention to detail. Makeup should enhance, not mask, your features. Too much or poorly applied makeup, foundation lines, heavy contour, clashing colors, distracts from your natural beauty. The difference between refined and overdone makeup is subtlety. Aim for a natural, glowing look that highlights your features. Blend for seamless transitions. When your makeup empowers, you radiate confidence. Even gorgeous outfits are downgraded by scuffed shoes or fraying bags. Accessories get the most wear and show neglect first. Invest in fewer, higher-quality pieces and care for them. Polish shoes, white bags, store them properly. Refinement is in the routine. Accessories are the punctuation marks of your outfit. Make sure they say the right thing. More isn't always better with accessories. Too many rings, bracelets, or necklaces create visual clutter and signal chaos. Choose one or two statement pieces and let them shine. Each piece should have a purpose and a place. True elegance is about restraint. Elegance is also about how you move through the world. Loud, attention-seeking behavior can undermine even the most put-together appearance. Cultivate calm, composed, self-assured energy. Speak with clarity, listen deeply, and keep gestures intentional. Calm confidence elevates your look and the atmosphere around you. Fragrance should be the final, subtle touch, not overpowering or synthetic. True sophistication lies in subtlety. A light, clean scent is more memorable than a heavy cloud. Opt for high-quality perfumes and classic notes, and apply sparingly. Your fragrance should be a whisper, not a shout. That's the secret to a lasting, elegant impression. Even in designer clothes, poor posture or fidgeting diminishes your presence. Body language silently communicates self-worth and elegance. Stand tall, move with intention, and check your posture throughout the day. Move with purpose and confidence. Graceful posture is the ultimate mark of a luxe woman. Constantly chasing trends leads to inconsistency and a lack of identity. The most refined women have a signature style rooted in timeless pieces. Invest in a wardrobe that feels authentically you. Choose quality over quantity. Let your personal style be your trademark. Looking refined is about intention, not spending. Every detail tells a story about your self-respect and values. Focus on the right habits. Simple wardrobes can look expensive and easy to manage. Elegance is something you practice, not buy. Thanks for joining me. Please comment below, like, and subscribe for more Level Up content. Also visit our website, Interesting eBooks for Mothers and Children. The link is in the description box. Until next time, be the best version of yourself.